Remember the time Jordan threw my slides? He tossed him. Tossed him. Well, guess what? I'm gonna do the unspeakable. Ting 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 ting. Ting 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 ting. Ting 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 ting. Ting 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 ting. I'm gonna cut his laces off of the Biohacks. I'm about to cut Jordan's laces right now. About to cut the laces.
Dude, don't.
About to do it.
Don't.
About to do it.
Why would you do this?
Log. I'm about to do it. I'm almost there. Log. I'm gonna get a piece. I'm gonna get it.
No way, man.
I was just about to cut this guy's laces.
Why would you do that?
Because what you did to me with my slides.
What did I do with your slides?
You tossed them. They went over the roof.
That's because you threw my Azareth. No.
That was an accident.
Nah, you threw my Azareth in the pool, man.
This guy said Azareth.
No, they're called
It's Azareth.
It's
Azareth.
It's Azareth.
It's short form of the box.
Nah, it's Azareth, bro.
It's Azareth.
Dude,
alright,
don't ever touch my damn shoes again, yo. Next time he has a 500. Actually, you know what?
Chill. Chill. What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? Oh, what is he doing? Oh no, what is he doing? What is he doing? Are you ready? Wait, is your sister home still? Your mom?
I'll do it.
Chill.
I'll do it, bro. I'll do it. Prince, I'll do it, man. I'll Prince.
Look what this guy's about to do right now. This is pure dope. Don't do it.
I'll do it, Prince.
Chill.
I'll do it, Prince. I swear to God.
Chill.
Prince, I'm gonna do it.
Chill.
Oh, Prince.
Chill.
Alright. We're even now.
Oh!
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jordan 7 back at it again from Flight for Hype. We've got Prince manning the camera right now. This guy almost destroyed my shoelaces. Like, I swear, we have like a war. We have like this weird war, bro.
It's a sneaker battle, literally.
Oh. Anyways,
yeah.
So can I see those biohacks real quick?
You sure?
The ones that you were supposed to cut, but you
sure?
didn't.
Snip.
Hey. So, alright, so check this out. So we have the biohacks, right? Really clean shoe. This is my favorite Jordan 1s of the year, in my opinion. But I want to introduce you guys to something. We have another Jordan 1 right here. Now, this one, you can see the gold Jumpman, and then you have the black box. Before I open it though, well, let me show you. We lucked out today. We actually got a bunch of Jordan White Heel Chicagos. That is a great shoe to invest in. But for now, we're going to be talking about these. This is the Air Jordan 1 Low SE. Black, or green. And yeah, apparently it has a little bit of laser orange as well. I did get a size 8.5. And they retailed for $135 Canadian. So, let's get into this right now. Boom. Check it out. Like, literally, this is like, I'm gonna call these the Biohack lows.
Literally.
These are literally these are Biohack lows. You guys wanna see? Check it out. Obviously, they're not completely the same. But, like, look at the toe box, for example. The toe box with that, like, that Tiffany blue, as you can see. Pretty similar. They both have nubuck on it. Obviously, this one's a little bit more softer. Yeah, check that out, guys. It's literally almost exactly the same. But you guys already seen this shoe. Now we're gonna get into this one. So as you guys can see, we have these. I'm gonna call these the Biohack lows just because honestly they kind of look like it, or maybe we want to call them reversed Biohacks. Let's start with the outsole. Actually, let's get into the good part. This part right here, as you can see, the branding with the Nike in the middle. Then you also have the black all over the outsole, which is nice. The cool thing about that too is so does the Biohack. Moving on to the midsole, you do have just the all white, which is nice. I actually really enjoy the fact that they made it white. It looks a little bit cleaner, and that's really good on this low. As you can see, kind of like glowish mid green sole, which is really dope. And of course on the midsole over here, well, you can see it's green. This one is white. Moving on to the actual toe box of the shoe, you have this aura green, but I kind of like to say Tiffany blue just because it kind of sort of looks like that, but it is aura green. Moving on to the mud guard, and the cool thing about this one too is that as you can see, it's like almost exactly the same on the toe box here. Moving on to the mud guard, you do have this black nubuck, really nice material. The only difference with this one compared to the low is that this one has a navy blue and this one is black. Now moving on to this side right here, you can see the swoosh is also a black nubuck swoosh, and it's got a silver border surrounding it. I don't think it is 3M to be honest with you, but it's a nice panel of either leather or synthetic. The cool thing about this part is that basically it's reversed. You got the silver swoosh right here, but this is black with the silver swoosh under it, so that's really nice. Moving on to the back of the heel, you do have again another panel of black, which is again nubuck, and on the back here you do have the brown that everyone loves. Can you imagine that if this had the brown on the back of it, it would have been over.
Crazy. Black and brown's a good combination.
Yeah, like it would have been over. People would have went nuts for this, you know what I mean? But as you can see, it's just black. Moving on to this side, you do again have that black swoosh with that silver lining as well. Moving on to the sock liner, which is a really important part actually. You do have that green once again. And the cool thing about that is this color is basically the midsole of the Biohack highs. So it's pretty much reversed, I guess, and I really like this actually. It's cool. You have a combination of that pink, and then you have a combination of this, so that's pretty cool.
The tongue is basically the same. It
Yeah.
just doesn't have that exposed tongue, that destructive tongue.
Can you imagine it did though? That would have
No,
been
I think I like this one though.
You like that?
Yeah, I like that.
You like that?
Yeah, but it would have been so par and par if it did though.
Yeah, I know,
Yeah.
right? What really got me though is this tongue right here. As you can see, obviously it's almost exactly the same color. It's not the same color, but it's almost the same color. But the difference is this one doesn't have an exposed tongue. It actually is stitched, and it's stitched with that bright pink. So you do have that black Jumpman there. Obviously, because this is a high, it has a Nike Air, but you do have the black Jumpman there. Moving on to the back of the tongue, you do have the size tag, which is an 8.5, and it does have that QR code. And of course, again, it is that laser orange on the back. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Moving on to the insole, you do have the black, and then you have that Aura green Jumpman once again in the middle of it. Overall, guys, like this is a dope shoe. We actually lucked out. We got a 7.5 and an 8.5 in this. Oh, I only wish this was a 9. This shoe only comes with black laces. If it came with these, it would have been over.
Bonkers. If it had the pink laces, it would have been over.
Right, but the cool thing is I can put them in this.
Yeah, because he has them.
Oh, that would be so sick, you know what I mean? But honestly, I'm going to keep it black for now. It's cool because look at this color. Like, they're so similar, but they're yet so different. I kind of sort of wish that the shoe kind of had, like the lows had a little bit of navy blue on it and had the brown. If this had almost the exact same color blocking,
it would have been perfect.
Yeah, right? But let me know what you guys think about this shoe, because I kind of think that these might go up in the future. These retail for $135 Canadian. I kind of think that they might go up to maybe 300. I want to say. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Once people catch on to them, I don't think a lot of people know what them as yet.
And the cool thing is, I don't even think these released yet, because I don't really see a release date on them. And if they do, they probably already dropped. But to be honest, like I've never seen these before. I'm actually really happy they didn't put the Jumpman on the back of it. That would have looked kind of weird, to be honest.
Yeah, it wouldn't fit for that shit.
But I really like the way they put the branding. They only put the Jumpman on the tongue, so that's great. Yeah. What shoe do you like better? Do you like the Biohack High, or I guess do you want the Biohack Low? Let us know in the comments down below. Which one would you cop, or would you cop both? So that is our review for today. I just wanted to show you a little comparison between the two. I'm not really sure if this has dropped yet. So where Prince and I went, we actually just got really lucky on these. Apparently it was just in a random shipment, and we lucked out on them. I mean, like, yo, these are fire. These are a little bit too small for me, unfortunately. I'm gonna see if I can squeeze them. I don't know. We'll see. But if not, I'ma keep them because these are fire. Without further ado, everybody, don't forget to follow everybody in the links in the description below. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We are almost at 1.5K. Oh my gosh, bro. We were at like 400 subscribers.
Like a month ago.
But yeah, and also follow us on Instagram as well. I'm actually on the road to 10K. I am like literally 600 followers away from 10K.
Seriously?
Seriously. I'm at 9.4K, bro. 9.4K.
Once you have 10K, it's over.
Which means we can get that swipe up.
The swipe up
is so important. Thank you so much for watching. This is Flight for Hype. And keep in mind, Prince has his own channel as well, which is Prince's World. He will be uploading a new copper drop and other vlogs as well. Alright guys, so this is Jordan Sandwich from Flight for Hype. Prince, you already know. Peace.